So I have fresh coconut here. It's the shredded coconut, and I'm going to add some coriander. Did you know coriander also grows in cold weather? So we're experiencing really mild winters at the moment. So we got the coriander is favorable for coriander to grow, and mine, funnily enough, started sprouting in November. So I had coriander seeds and I left them outside in a pot, and they started sprouting in November. So me being me, thinking that they need to come in. I'm a complete novice at gardening. This is the first time during lockdown I took the opportunity to grow my own vegetables and grow my own herbs. So yes, it was fun. I did get quite a lot from my garden, and I also enjoyed a lot of produce from my garden too. So it was, it was a blessing. And now I've started creating a compost heap. So that's so all the food waste that's not cooked, so uncooked food waste goes in the vegetable, in the compost heap now. So I'll chop my coriander. It doesn't have to be super fine. This roughly chopped is okay. I haven't got fresh chilies, so I'm going to use dried chilies. And it really depends on the heat. This is quite mild, so if you prefer to have something quite fiery, add some chilies. I'm adding about a teaspoon. I'll use this to make it much easier. So I'm using fresh coconut, but if you don't have fresh coconut, you want to use the dried coconut. You can use dried coconut too. It will work just as well. And I'm adding some coconut water. So when you crack a fresh coconut, the brown one, that's ripe coconut, you will get some coconut water. You get some coconut water from it. Save that water and use it in your chutney. So that just gives extra sweetness. You do not need to add any sugar to your coconut. It's just all natural. Or otherwise, if you don't have fresh coconut, you can get the carton coconut water and you can use that as well. I'm squeezing half a lime, so I'm using half a lime. And I'm going to use some salt. So salt to taste. You can use any salt. Now I'm just going to blend it up. So this will make some noise. So if you see the coconut chutney is quite dry, I don't want it to be very dry. I do want it to have some liquid in there. So you can add some more. So probably about 3 tablespoons of coconut water. And this is not a deep green color because I have not added the fresh green chilies. So it's a slightly creamy color, but it will taste just as good. I'm going to give it a try. That's really good. I'm not going to do anything to it. It's really lovely.